Hello friends, T20 is one of the most amazing events. It has charm in its novelty, creativity and high celebrative quotient. During T20, the evenings simply continue to dazzle late into the night. I am not talking about IPL T20 tournament that is underway. I am giving you an idea of another IPL, intense presence living through T20, that is, thoughts to no thoughts. This is all about 20 seconds of being in stillness every now and then during our day to day activity. It is a novel idea and will take you to your creative zone. You can also shine light upon your darkest fears, anxiety, and worries that tends to envelop more so after the customary celebrative weekend evenings leading to Monday blues. This 2020 play will eliminate your fears, anxiety, and depression. And the beauty is anyone can win IPL trophy. Just understand the format and play T20. You can connect with me to form the dream team that is within you. Learn the format, practice it, and play happily in this new IPL T20 league. Thank you.